Okay, so now you do the first layers kind of like your base layer. And we are going to make a really pretty design. It's so simple, but yet people find this fascinating when they come into my house, and they also think that I am a sociopath, that I take the time to do this once a month. But you know what? You say OCD is a disease, I say it's a blessing. And people always ask, do I replace them every time someone eats one? No, I'm not crazy. I'm just organized every 30 days. Okay, we got this. Don't put it down, put it away. Don't put it down, put it away. Good job. Don't put it down, put it away. Looking good. Don't put it down, put it away. Nice.
Five things in my kitchen that just make sense. Part 2. A dog eating station built right into our kitchen island. A dedicated cupboard for our KitchenAid stand mixer that has a lift that clicks into place, and when you release it, it slowly goes back down. A cupboard dedicated to trays and cutting boards. A cozy restaurant-style kitchen booth. And lastly, pop-up outlets to use for our phones, laptops, and small appliances.
Here's my hack for organizing underwear drawers. So I found these organizers on Amazon that when you clip them together, they create a honeycomb shape that's great for organizing small things. And you can customize them to fit any drawer. Once they were installed, I started putting everything away, which, fun fact, I recently found out that you're supposed to replace your underwear every 6 to 12 months, so I went out and bought a whole bunch of new ones because I did not know that. One of the first organization projects I decided to do in our new home was our spice drawer. I started by adding these acrylic organizers. They're tiered and adjustable to fit different size drawers. Then I opened up all of our new spice jars and prepped them. Next up, I filled each bottle one by one using this funnel, which made it really easy to transfer everything. I also labeled them as I filled them so I didn't lose track. Once the jars were filled and labeled, I put them away alphabetically. I love that we now have the spice drawer right next to our stove, ready to go for cooking in our new home.
This one is for all of you that gave me shit about my idea. It works, bitches. I just had to pull from the center.